Hello children, today we will be doing the concept of uh, edges and corners from your lesson Shapes and Design, that is lesson number 5. We will understand what is a corner and what is an edge. So we will be doing what is edge and corner. If you can see here, there is a triangle, and where the two lines are meeting, see this line and this line are meeting here, so it makes a corner. So we get a corner when two lines meet. So here it is a corner, here it is a corner, and these straight lines which you see is edge. So this triangle is having 3 corners and 3 edges. So let's take another shape. Now count the corners. We will start from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 corners. And how many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 edges. Okay, so I hope you have understood what is the concept of edges and corners and what is the meaning of edges and corners. Now we will be doing a small exercise which will make it clear what is an edge and a corner. So you can do this in your notebooks also. See, I have drawn a kite here, and all the red points, red circles I have made are showing that two lines meet there, and they will be the corners. So let's just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we are having 6 corners, and edges will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we are having 6 corners and 7 edges. Another figure here. This is a simple one. Now count for yourself. See, corners are 6 and edges are also 6. Now the next thing which will make you understand the difference between corner and edges is drawing some shapes. So here we are drawing some shapes. First is we just draw some things which are having edges. So this is a book I have drawn. Everybody has a book, and you can see that book will have edges. The straight lines will show you the edges. And here it is a chair. So these are the edges. This side also, so many edges are there. Okay, now the books and the chair will have corners also, but here we are drawing and showing only the edges. So next we come things which have corners. Now the door, everybody has a door in their house, at school also. So the door has corners. See, these will be the corners. Okay, and when you take a paper, just as I've shown you before, a triangle or a square paper, so it will have corners. So you can draw any other things which have corners. For example, you can draw a triangle, you can draw a rectangle. Okay, and now draw things which do not have corners. Mostly things that are circular will not have any corner. Okay, for example, a pen will not have any corner. See, this pen is not having any corner. It is not having any corner. See, you can draw a pen, you can draw a plate, you can draw a bucket, you can draw a glass, you can draw a mug. So many things are there which you can draw. Okay, now I am going to show you a picture, and we will just see if it has a corner or not. See, this is a page from your lesson number 5, Shapes and Design. So see, this is not having any corner, not having any edge. Now the red triangle is having corners and edges. The blue rectangle is having corner and edges. Now this is again the square. Yellow square is having corner and edges. The red triangle, the nose of the joker is having corner and edges. The face of the joker is not having any corner or edges. Again here the fingers of the joker, which is shown in the shape of a circle, is not having any edges or corners. Okay, now his body here, or the tummy of the joker, is not having any edges or corners, but his legs, see, these are his legs, and his shoes are having corners and edges. I hope you have understood. Thank you so much.